So, hello guys, it's Sunday today and I'm gonna try to going to shopping in Vancouver Mall, Washington States. So, for how many months that I never visit the shopping mall because of the, problem. So, today mag-shopping, window shopping lang, window shopping. Um, Samahan ko yung friend ko na sa Vancouver, pipick upin ko siya. Punta daw kami ng Biki. Ang sikreto ni Biki, ang sikreto ni Victoria. Punta kami. Meron daw ano doon, kaya pipick upin ko siya. So I'm heading there in her house to pick up her and see you later guys. So andito na ako sa house ni Lady Red USA. So yan yung apartment nila guys. So pipick upin ko na lang, hindi na lang ako magpa-parking kasi pick up lang, tas let's go kasi marami namang Sunday today to. So maraming mga tao, mga owner ng apartment na nabapark. So, okay. Asa naman siya, uy? Okay guys, simulan na natin ang shopping. We are here now in Vancouver Mall, Washington State. Tingnan nyo guys, nakamask ang lahat. Requires kasi. And di masyadong maraming tao kasi limited lang. So we're heading to Victoria's Secret. So shopping time with Lady Red USA. So just like parang ano to guys, ano ba yun? Collab. We're collabing. Tingnan natin yung mukha natin guys. Yun oh, yun ang mga mukha namin oh. Ano ba? Bakit itatago? Di ba? Konti na. Oh yeah, mag-like ka sa Facebook. So first visit is Victoria's Secret and then the rest is, yeah, we'll see, maybe window shopping. So that's si Vicky, ang sikreto ni Victoria. So here now guys, we are here now in Misi. Nandito kami sa Misi ngayon. So, titingin-tingin kami sa mga branded nga bag. Like Michael Kors, like Coach, mga ganyan. And we're looking for the LB or what. Just shopping. No, looking. But we're not buying because we can't afford, guys. You know, we don't have salary yet. So, I will okay. Guys, this is the Lauren. Oh, Lauren wrap. Lauren pala. So nice. Ganda niya, oh. Ano siya, guys. Naka-lock in siya kasi mamahalin. Oo, mamahalin pala to. But ito, hindi naman masyadong mamahalin. Tutuit lang. But ito, hindi yan. Ito, 295. 295 lang pala, pero naka-lock in siya. So, it's 40% off in Macy. So, on guys. So here, I don't know what's the brand of this one, but it's still bags. So yeah, it's 25% off right now. Oh, there is a CK. What CK is? Calvin Klein. So this is the Calvin Klein, and it's 40% off. Oh, that one, it's big. You see? All 40%. I think all a new reduction. Okay. I think all the bags here is 40% off. So if you love to shop for bags, so you can come over here in Vancouver, Washington, States of America. This is not a promotion, guys. We just shopping galore. Yeah. So this is the Michael Kors bag. I don't like this kind of bags. It's just a hard type of that ano niya, yung fabrics or panapton or ano. Di ako mahilig, pangit yung design, guys. Yeah. So, yeah. BCC Leather Red, USA. So, dami na tong subscribers si Leather Red USA, guys. Kaya nakikab-collaborate ako sa kanya para marami naman tumitingin sa whitey ko. So, di ba mo mapapalisin ni whitey, di ba? You need to have collaboration.
Pwede man.
Collab. So, one. Oh, this kind of bags, guy, is Michael Kors. That one. But it said 50% of original price. So, medyo okay na to. Kung mahilig kayo sa mga ganito lang, half moon style of Michael Kors. 50% off. Okay guys, we're done shopping galore. So bye bye. Thank you for watching.